Now then, the oil filter is detached and all the oil is out, and I've plugged it up for a wee minute. So I've got most of the oil, trimmed most of it out. Now what we're going to do is put the new air filter in place, sorry, not air filter, oil filter in place. And it's just a matter of scooping it in. Now this one's black, whereas the other one was white. Make sure it catches on the thread. Oh, that's better. Ah, shit. And you see all the oil dripping on my arm. Ah, that's fine. Right, put that back in there. Nope, ain't clicking in. Now that is us, guys. That's tightened up, and so is the oil filter, best I can. And that's that part done. Don't need to come under here again. Now as you can see, we're on stands. Okay, and at the beginning of the job, I put blocks at the back wheels so it doesn't move. That's for the health and safety, that is. So we're going to come from under here and then put the oil in it, and that'll be us done. Not a bad job. So guys, all I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the bonnet down. Then I'm going to take these away. One.